The 2025 Citroën C3 is here to redefine what we expect from a compact hatchback. Under the hood, you'll find a range of powertrain options, from efficient petrol engines to a fully electric version, delivering up to 156 horsepower with instant torque. The electric model offers a range of over 300 kilometers on a single charge, making it perfect for both city driving and weekend escapes. Thanks to Citroën's latest suspension technology with progressive hydraulic cushions, the ride feels incredibly smooth, even on rough roads. Responsive steering, improved aerodynamics, and lightweight construction give the C3 a surprisingly agile feel, making every journey fun and efficient. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a space that feels far beyond its class. Citroën has completely reimagined the cabin, with a minimalist yet modern design, high-quality materials, and soft-touch finishes. The infotainment system now features a 10-inch HD touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats, enhanced with Citroën's advanced comfort technology, are designed for long-distance comfort, reducing fatigue on any trip. You'll also find clever storage spaces, a customizable digital instrument cluster, and premium sound options, turning your daily drive into a truly connected, enjoyable experience. Release, date, and price. The new Citroën C3 2025 is set to hit European showrooms in early spring 2025, with pre-orders already generating huge interest. The starting price is expected to be around €17,500 for the petrol version, while the fully electric model is estimated to start at €25,000, making it one of the most affordable EVs in its class. With a bold new design, advanced technology, and a commitment to comfort, the Citroën C3 2025 is more than just a car. It's a statement on wheels, ready to make your everyday drives extraordinary.